Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Debian 12 operating systems. But the process is same on all Debian versions. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads. Then click on MySQL Community Downloads. Then click on MySQL Community Server. Then select the version. See here we have the versions 8.0.43. Okay, select it. Then select the operating system Debian Linux. See, once we selected, see here it populated the list of the Debian packages for 12. Okay, so download this. Instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 474 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar this star file and we will install Debian packages. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43 Debian 12 deb bundle tar file. We have to untar tar-xf, then give MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. Before installing, we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt install -ipaddic -utf8 libaio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already installed. I will keep this command in the video description. Control it. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Okay, hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Select OK. Then we have to select the default authentication plugin. See here we have two options: use strong password encryption or legacy authentication. First one is the recommended, second one is the retain the MySQL 5.x. Okay, so whatever you want you can select it and click on OK. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.43. Let us verify. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running. It is, see here, it is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-b. Provide the password of this root account that you have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.43. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See here we have these databases. Let us create a database. Control L to clear screen. Create database bank. Verify again. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now create table. Create table. Show tables. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control L to please. Now we will create user, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is a password. Now verify again. See, you have created user David. Now exit from the MySQL server, which is connected by the root account. Quit MySQL-u. Username is David-p. See here, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Okay, provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Okay, Control A. Now try to access the database that you have created. So run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Okay, so exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server on Debian 12 operating systems. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL is running. Qt sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the same. See, MySQL is stopped, inactive or dead. Okay, Qt we can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, let us start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started and it is running. Qt. Okay, if you want to restart, just use sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, MySQL service is running. Qt. Okay, unless these files are not required anymore, so remove them because we have successfully installed. So clear the space. rm start.deb. What this command will do? This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Okay, so hit enter. ls remove this file also. rm give MySQL, press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls. See, we have cleared the space. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server from the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on Debian operating systems. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.43 on Debian 12 operating systems. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.